and that's why that coastal flood advisory is through at least Friday morning. But we'll continue to track the latest heading into the weekend because sometimes that does extend over the weekend hours. Small craft advisories in place through Thursday closer to the coast and into Friday offshore. So if you're seeing 8 to 12-foot waves, those are mostly out well into the Gulf of Mexico. So about 20 nautical miles offshore, we're seeing those 8-foot waves, and then you have to go well into the Gulf, kind of the central Gulf, to see those 12-foot waves. Closer to the coast, we are going to be tracking waves not quite that high. Of course, this is the side effect of Tropical Storm Ian. It is now beginning to approach the east coast of Florida, the Atlantic coast there, with heavy rainfall across Daytona Beach. Rainfall going to be the main concern as the storm does continue to track along the east coast back towards South Carolina and then up into the Appalachian Mountains there. That's going to continue to be the path through the weekend. As the storm moves into the Atlantic, and we're going to see less impacts across the Gulf, but today we're tracking the highest waves at the beach closer to 5 feet, maybe even lower depending on how far out you go. You'll have to go pretty far out, kind of past the jetties, to get closer to maybe some 7-foot waves. And then we'll see 3 to 5-foot waves Friday, those wave heights falling through the weekend, but we will still see some periods with higher waves that you'll just have to watch out for, that coastal flooding and those higher times, which are coming overnight through the weekend, but something